For this assignment, you will be completing an ad analysis activity in a small group discussion setting. So before you complete the assignment, make sure that you have read and watched the videos on the modes of persuasion page where we really dive into ethos, pathos, and logos. Then you will complete the individual work. This will be due on Sunday. So you're going to choose one of the provided commercials for your analysis. Each group member should choose a different commercial. Please identify which commercial you are choosing by replying to the discussion board post as soon as you have chosen your commercial. Then you can click discussion board reply to submit your individual work. Again, I want you to be aware, one person can choose one of the commercials. I don't want to see more than one group member doing the same commercial. Then you will complete the individual work, which will require you to download the ad analysis individual work document and complete it, answering each question for the commercial you chose. Then you will reply to the discussion board, attaching your completed document to your post. Let's have a look at that document. The ad analysis document asks for you to provide the title and link of the commercial you chose. You'll notice on the assignment page, there are 7 commercials from which you can choose. You are only working with one of the commercials. Then you will answer questions related to audience and pathos, so the relationship between emotion and audience. Then you're going to look at text and logo. So this is going to be the subject and logic and how they're working together to convince the audience. And then finally, who the speaker is and how credibility is being gained or lost. So you will answer each one of these questions for your commercial and submit that. As noted before, there are 7 different commercials from which you can choose. So we have the Google 2020 Super Bowl ad Loretta, the SPCA Silent Night ad, the Amazon Big Game commercial Mind Reader, an American Love Story Volkswagen Super Bowl 2024 commercial, the Rakuten Not So Clueless with Alicia Silverstone and Alyssa Donovan ad, the Dove Reverse Selfie ad, or the Dr. Evil GM commercial ad. Oh, or the Starbucks Make the Change commercial. So you have a number of options to choose from. Again, you're going to choose one, and only one group member can use a specific ad. So if you are really passionate about one of the ads, go ahead and get your selection in sooner rather than later. Again, you can upload your work after you have told us which one you are going to do. That's not a problem. You'll just do a second post. Then, once you have submitted your work, you will reply to 2 group members. So you're going to read through their work, have a look at their ad that they chose, and reflect on what they had to say. So first, in your response, and you are going to do this by video, you will identify strengths of your classmate that they exhibited in their ad analysis. Which questions did they do particularly well with? Which mode of persuasion does the classmate show a strong understanding of? Then, in question 2, you're going to identify opportunities for development for your classmates' ad analysis. Which questions did they struggle to answer? Which mode of persuasion might they need to further develop their understanding of? Then, for part 3, you're going to look for overlapping ideas or themes that you notice between your own ad analysis and what your classmate had to do on their chosen commercial. And then for 4, you're going to look at both ad analyses, the one you did and the one your partner did, and consider how they were different in terms of ideas or themes or use of modes of persuasion, however you would like to consider that. For grading, you can earn up to 20 points. To earn full credit, you will have answered each question on your individual work thoughtfully. You will have responded to at least 2 classmates in video format, again, thoughtfully and substantively all throughout. And in your work, we will see basically no errors with proofreading or editing, or very few. If you earn 15 points out of the 20, that means that you probably tried to do all of the things, but maybe the examples you were using from your commercial weren't substantive, or maybe you didn't really dig in deeply with your classmates, or maybe you only did one of the 2 required responses to classmates. For 10 points, here you may have got off to a good start, but trailed off toward the end. Maybe you didn't do your responses to classmates. That might be how you got to a 10. And then with a 5, there's a variety of ways you can fall into this category. It could be that you're missing an element described in one of the categories. It could be that you didn't do any of your responses to classmates. It could be that there's significant proofreading and editing concerns. It's probably a combination of many of these things. Or for 0 points, it means you didn't do the assignment, or perhaps there's an academic integrity concern. Which brings me to the reminder about academic integrity. Violations of academic integrity, including cheating, plagiarism, falsification of data, unauthorized collaboration, serious offenses that may result in disciplinary action. A first offense would be a 0 on the assignment, where you would have a meeting with me, and if you chose to have that meeting with me, you would likely be given the opportunity to resubmit with a 25% penalty. If it's a second offense, though, you will get a 0 with no opportunity to resubmit. For a third offense, it would be an F in the course. So please make sure that you are working with the utmost academic integrity in mind. I do want to remind you about artificial intelligence for this course. You are not allowed to use AI for this course. This includes automated essay generators, content generators, or synthesizers such as ChatGPT, Google Gemini, etc. This includes translation tools, external grammar checkers such as Grammarly, plagiarism detection algorithms. All of these are strictly prohibited. You're expected to demonstrate your own understanding and original work throughout the duration of this course. Any violation of this any violation of this policy is subject to these academic integrity violation consequences. So please do make sure you are being mindful of academic integrity. You're not using AI to assist you in your work for this class, because this is an entry-level course where you are really just learning the basics of grammar and rhetoric and writing and composition, all of those things. We want to make sure that we're really seeing what is just you so that we can help you build your skills. I hope you found this video useful, and if I can be of help to you as you are working on this assignment, please let me know.